Are you looking to save money on your next travel adventure? Look no further. We have got some strategies that will help stretch your dollar and make your travel dreams a reality. First and foremost, timing is key. Consider traveling during off-peak seasons when prices are lower. Not only will you save money on flights and accommodations, but you'll also enjoy less crowded attractions. Another tip is to be flexible with your travel dates. Sometimes shifting your departure or return dates by just a few days can lead to significant savings. When it comes to accommodations, think beyond traditional hotels. Check out alternative options like vacation rentals, hostels, or even house-sitting opportunities. These can often provide comfortable and affordable stays. Don't forget to compare prices and look out for discounts and deals. There are many websites and apps that can help you find the best deals on flights, accommodations, and even activities. Lastly, embrace the local culture and eat like a local. Explore local markets and street food stalls to enjoy authentic cuisine at a fraction of the cost of restaurants. So remember, with a little planning and a savvy approach, you can save money on your travel adventures and make the most of every dollar. Happy travels.